What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Javi, and in this video I want to talk some more about AMC stock, what happened last week, as well as what I'm looking for in the stock in the next few days to weeks coming up. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about finance, investing, as well as me sharing my own personal journey to motivate you guys to do the goals that you set for yourself. Alright, with that said, let's jump into it. Starting things off, AMC is one of the most shorted stocks in the market right now. So us retail investors have noticed that and are trying to take advantage by buying stocks for a potential short squeeze. If you guys don't know what a short squeeze is, watch my last video where I explain what that is. Alright, so now with that, short interest has been increasing week by week, and this has been adding on to the fire for a potential short squeeze because investment firms that are shorting AMC are hurting right now. Every single day they are losing more and more money, and this is increasing the potentials of having a short squeeze happening. So right now we have short interest increasing, and as well AMC movie theaters have been opening back up. So on March 5th, AMC started opening up their first movie theater in New York, and now fast forward to today, we have AMC movie theaters opened up across the United States, which is good for us retail investors because as AMC opens up, if we see some revenue being generated at the end of the quarter, this is obviously going to increase the stock and adding more potential to a short squeeze. All right, now another factor is hype. So hype is going to drive up the stock even more, and if we get media to start advertising AMC, then we are going to get more retail investors aware of this potential movement, and they are going to buy in and increase the odds of a short squeeze happening. So the last time I saw some hype on this was Fox Business reported that AMC has a high potential of a squeeze occurring. So this is bringing up the sentiment of buyers, and they are going to buy more stocks of AMC, making a short squeeze more possible. All right, so now why has AMC gone down last week? Well, that was not because of anything that they did, but more of a huge investment firm, Wanda, selling a lot of their shares last week. So now this is nothing to worry about. Actually, if you were a retail investor who bought on this dip, then right now you are actually benefiting off of it. So Wanda decided to sell these shares just because they have been holding on for years now, and they, for whatever reason, think that they want to cut back on their shares, and that's why the stock fell. So I wanted to wait a week and see how far down AMC was going to go, because if it started going down below support, then I was going to buy some more shares, and I actually bought a few more shares. But with that said, let's jump into Thinkorswim, where I am going to show you guys some chart analysis that I'm looking for on AMC. All right, now everyone, so now that we're on AMC's chart, I wanted to give you guys some supports and resistance that I'm looking at. So let me zoom out a bit, and we are going to see that AMC in the last few weeks has been swinging up and then back down, and then it has been staying between that $15 to $12 range. So last week on Monday morning, we saw that AMC was at a high of $15.76. So I put that as a support. And then as Wanda started selling their shares and cutting back, we saw the shares of AMC going all the way down to $12.05. And this was actually a pretty good support as it started trading and flattening out around that area. So I put a support there because I think that AMC is, if it goes back down, it's probably going to trace back down to $12 and then potentially jump back up. So now I wanted to wait until Monday before making this video because we were at a pivoting point where we could have either opened up Monday morning below $12 or, like we did today, jumped back up. So now if we break above last week's high of $15.78, I set an alert because I think that that is a potential for a squeeze happening up to the last support that happened back in January, and this is at all the way up at $15.57. So if we get around that area, I think that there is a high potential that the actual squeeze is going to happen, and that is where we are going to be seeing a lot of high values for this stock. So as a retail investor, right now we don't really know when this squeeze is going to happen. All we can do is wait and hold our shares, and every single time that the share goes down and you see an opportunity, then buy more shares and hold on to them, as well as share these videos that I'm posting, as well as videos that other YouTubers are posting, to spread the word of AMC so other retail investors know what's going on. Now, a lot of this movement is going to be happening pre-market as well as post, so we can't really be in front of our phone 24/7. All of us have jobs or other commitments that we do on a day-to-day basis. That's why I really recommend you guys to set some alerts. Now, some alerts that I have is at above last week's high of $15.78, as well as above $25.95. Now, you guys may say, well, you can already anticipate if it's going to go up, or more or less you're going to have a feeling because it's going to have some news and it's not going to jump up overnight, but it may. So if it does, it's good to have an alert because you are aware of that stock going spiking up and you know what's going on. Now, it would also be good to set a alert if it breaks below last week's support of $12.05 for another buying opportunity. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll put another alert. If it breaks that, then I know to buy more stocks. All right. With that said, that's all for AMC stock today. If there's any more news that happen in the near future, I'll make sure to post that on my account on YouTube and share that with you guys. With that said, if you guys like this video, please make sure to click that like button and subscribe for more. I'll be posting another video on Friday, so I'll see you guys then. Peace.